Good morning, children. How are you all? You all are good? So, children, today let's start our session with a prayer. Okay? So, children, join your hands and repeat the prayer along with me. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Very good, children. Once again repeat the prayer, children. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Very good, children. So, children, let's start with the session, with the English session. As you all know that we have started with the alphabets, and in till your last session, last week, we have learned about which alphabet we have learned. We have started with the alphabet A, letter A, uppercase as well as lowercase. Even I have taught you what is the sound of A, right? So now we will proceed towards the next letter. Okay? Here is the next letter that we are going to start today. Letter B. Okay? So first what I will do, I will show you how to write the uppercase and the lowercase letter B, and then we will start with the book. Okay? So children, as I tell you that for practicing you can take this kind of blank sheet or book, and you can take your crayon or pencil, and then you can start practicing first on the blank side, and then you can use the book. Okay? So what we are doing, we are starting with the letter B, right? So you already know how to write uppercase, that is capital B. I will show you. First you have to draw one standing line. Okay? Then from the top of the standing line, आपको ये हाफ लाइन तक कर्व टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट ड्रॉ करना है. ओके? और इसी को कंटिन्यू करते हुए आपको नीचे वाले स्टैंडिंग लाइन, उसी स्टैंडिंग लाइन के एंडिंग पॉइंट पे टच करना है. ओके? अंडरस्टूड? फर्स्ट you have to draw one standing line, then you have to draw one curve towards left, again continue drawing the curve, इसी से कंटिन्यू करके ज्वाइन करके हम ये स्टैंडिंग लाइन को टच करेंगे. ओके? दिस इज योर अपर केस, दैट इज कैपिटल लेटर B. Now let's see how to practice the lower case letter B, small letter B. अपर केस तो आपने सीखा होगा नर्सरी में. नाउ आई विल टीच यू हाउ टू राइट द लोअर केस लेटर B using the patterns. Okay? So children, here is the lower case letter B. How you will do it? First you will draw one standing line. ठीक है? I am showing you small letter B. Then from the half of the standing line, बीच में से आप एक curve draw करोगे and touch the end of the standing line. Okay? Curve towards left. I repeat, one standing line, and from here, from the half of the standing line, from the middle of the standing line, draw one curve towards the left. Okay? In this way. In this way, you will practice the lower case, that is small letter B. Okay? Now let's see how to practice in the 4 lines book. Now children, this is your book in which you are going to practice today. In this book, open to your page number 11. Okay? This is a page for letter B. What is given over here first? About B. Let us learn about the B. letter B. Okay. B is for the bee. You can see the bee on the letter B. This is called as the bee. Honey bee. B. B is for letter B, that burst all around a bush. Bees mostly कहाँ पे दिखते हैं आपको? Trees के around. B is for the bee that burst all around a bush. A brown bear sat near reading a book. You can see this book. He was sitting near, जहाँ पे ये bee burst कर रही थी वहाँ पे ये bear भी बैठा था. What he was doing? He was reading a book. Okay. This is a small para which is given for you all about the letter B. Okay. इस पैरा में हमने B से स्टार्ट होने वाले किसके बारे में पढ़ा? B for bee and B for bear. Okay. B for brown bear, B for bee. Okay. So let's start with the words. Reading the words. As I say, today you will read only the words starting with the letter B. In the next class when I will teach you the phonic sound, तब हम sound के साथ ये word read करेंगे. ठीक है? So today we will read only the words starting with the letter B. How we will read it? B. B for bee. B for balloons. B for bell. B for book. B for belt. And B for bear. Okay. These are the words which is given on page number 11 for you all, starting with the letter B. All of you have to read the words. ठीक है? Look at the picture and read the words. Now come to the next page. Here is your next page, page number 12. What you have to do over here? Trace the big letter and the small letter B. Okay? Trace the letter B and the lines. You can see the red line and the blue line. We are going to practice on the lines first. Okay? First start with the uppercase letter B. आपको पहले फर्स्ट रेड लाइन से स्टार्ट करना है. फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन से पास होते हुए सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन तक टच करना है, स्टैंडिंग लाइन. फिर यहाँ से आपको फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन तक कर्व टूवर्ड्स लेफ्ट ड्रॉ करना है. फिर से उसी को कंटिन्यू करते हुए कर्व टूवर्ड्स लेफ्ट 2 टाइम्स कर्व ड्रॉ करना है. स्टैंडिंग लाइन एंड 2 कर्व टूवर्ड्स लेफ्ट. ओके. इसी तरीके से आप लोग अपर केस यानी कैपिटल लेटर बी प्रैक्टिस करोगे. अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू? यस, अंडरस्टूड. So children, in this way you have to practice uppercase, that is capital letter B. You have to practice properly on the lines. Okay. Now come to the lowercase, that is small letter b. First what you have to do, from the first red line to the second blue line, नीचे वाले blue line तक standing line draw करना है. और ये दोनों blue lines के बीच में आपको एक curve बनाना है, curve towards left. Okay. Standing line ब्लू लाइन में ही बनाना है, ब्लू लाइन से बाहर नहीं जाना है. कर्व टूवर्ड्स लेफ्ट. ओके. स्टैंडिंग लाइन, कर्व टूवर्ड्स लेफ्ट. स्टैंडिंग लाइन, कर्व टूवर्ड्स लेफ्ट. Understood all of you? In this way you have to practice. Okay. So children, in this way you have to practice lowercase, that is small letter b. Okay. In all the lines. First you have to draw one standing line and then one curve towards left. And over here you have to draw one standing line and 2 curve towards left. Okay. Understood? So today you are going to first practice reading the words starting with the letter B, and then you have to practice writing the uppercase and the lowercase letter B. Okay. Understood? Page number 11 and page number 12. Okay children. So children, today you have learned how to write both the letters, now you have already learned how to write uppercase and lowercase letter A and B. Today I have taught you about B. So in the next class we will learn what is the phonic sound of B. I'll teach you the phonic song of B, and I will narrate a short story in which you will learn the words I'll be using the words starting with the letter B. Okay? Understood all of you? Yes. Now take out your book, everyone. Now everyone take out your book and start practicing for the letter B. Okay? Thank you so much.